happening, Paxton? Oh, wow. It's blinking. Is it cold?
Like bubbles.
Yeah, it's like bubbles. Oh, what's this? What's on the windshield? Is it an octopus?
It's like your ass.
Yeah. This is crazy, dude. Oh. More blue. I like it when it does the lava thing. Remember the lava? Like a volcano? Well, that's kind of weird. Remember the lava, Paxton? I think this is it right here. Hot lava. Oh, look at the lava. Oh, that's crazy. You smell it? It smells good, huh?